Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to get the TikTok shop. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we're going to open the TikTok app. And basically here, I cannot find any TikTok shop option underneath my screen, which usually appears right over here. So I'm going to go to my profile and then select on the three dashes, and from here on I'm going to select settings and privacy. Now I'm going to scroll down and there is an option called report problem. So from here on I will actually report that I'm not being able to access the TikTok shop option. So I am basically there is an option called chat with us. So we're going to select that. That's basically the place where you actually submit a report. So basically I'm going to type down the report, which is my TikTok shop is not showing. So basically the TikTok shop is unavailable in my region, so it is not showing up in my account. So basically if it is available in your region, then it will surely come up. So that's how you actually find and access the TikTok shop. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of us on your For You page, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be very glad to help you guys. And that's it for today. We will see you in the next video.